You know what's interesting is that a penguin will literally spend its entire life looking for the perfect pebble so that it takes this little stone and it uses it as a form of proposal to the perfect partner. And when they find that perfect one, they'll present it as a lifelong commitment. So just as penguins like to overthink this idea of finding the right pebble, we tend to overthink recovery. Most people think that effort, expending energy, means better results, but when it comes to recovery, doing more can actually slow you down. And this is what I like to call the recovery paradox, where pushing harder makes stress stick rather than release. Now, just hold on. I want you to think about this. When you're already drained and you're tense, you're overloading yourself with intense workouts, or you're trying to grind through the stress, this just keeps you locked in a burnout cycle. Now, I see this all the time with my clients, especially athletes. The harder they try to recover, the worse they feel until they start recovering the right way. So if you've ever felt like resting should be simple, but somehow it's not, I want you to comment the word stress down below, and I'll send you a copy of a free booklet that I created for you called The Stress Advantage, which this booklet will guide you in terms of how to recover without making it harder than it needs to be.